Target. Target.
Target. It's not actually target. Have a look at the picture.
Okay.
What do you think's happening?
I don't know.
I think it might be someone slipping on the water. And it's got a W. Can you point to the letters and I'll tell you the sounds?
Okay.
W, E, T.
Wet?
Yeah, wet. You want to point to the other ones?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh. Oh. Ooh, oh.
Floor.
Wet.
Floor.
It's a wet floor sign.
And what's this one?
Is it different or the same?
Is that Target?
No, it's not Target. We are in the Target shop. Do you know this letter? Ooh. I.
It.
E. Slippery.
Yes, slippery.
Mm-hmm.
What's this?
Surface. Slippery surface.
Yes.